Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT failed to reach Apple's App Attest server. So make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do it. Now step 1 is just make sure that disable your Wi-Fi connection. You can just turn on the airplane mode and turn off the airplane mode, and make sure to disconnect and reconnect to your Wi-Fi or mobile data. And after that you can just open the Wi-Fi settings and make sure to try another network which network is available on your mobile phone. So you can just change the network and try it if your problem is solved or not. Now the third option is to change, make sure that you have a latest version of ChatGPT in your mobile application. Just go to the App Store, and in this section just search the latest version of the ChatGPT. For some reason my App Store is not working, but make sure that you have the latest version of ChatGPT in your mobile phone. And at the last, make sure that if your mobile has any kind of software updates, so update to the latest version. And after that hopefully your issue will be fixed. But let's say that you're still facing the issue, so what you can do is just go to this section, transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and reset all settings. And once you reset all settings, all of your settings will be reset to default, and hopefully after that your issue will be fixed. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.